Richardson from the Jack FM Breakfast Show. We're here at Oxfordshire Advanced Skills, also known as OAS, to see what's inside. What's your name and what do you do at OAS?
So I'm Jakub, I'm a mechanic engineer apprentice.
Lovely. Now, you've got me today. What have you got me doing?
VR presentation where you will learn what we're designing today, how I'm going to use it to scan their model.
You're not going to make me like jump off a building on it or anything, are you?
Depending.
All right, then, well, let's give it a go. Come on.
If you point on the ground, you can move.
Whoa, what do you mean move? Whoa!
Oh, there you go.
I'm in water.
Yeah, then
Is that meant to have happened?
you can.
Oh, I feel like a little mermaid.
So that's the 3 models that we're going to be designing today.
Yep, these.
Yes.
I mean, I don't know why you can't see.
Yes, these 3.
Okay, so I just point to walk,
Yeah.
but crucially I don't walk.
Point and shoot. We're going to use 3 printers to
There. Cool.
print our design model. So if you move on to the next bubble.
There we go. Right, so I'm in this bubble. Oh,
Yeah,
I can see
so-
the little Concorde model. Hang on.
Yeah, on the
Oh,
middle.
I'm getting the hang of this now.
We
Look
have
at
a
this.
rough estimation of how our setup is downstairs.
This is so cool.
You can go outside
Yep.
and look up the scale-up models of the plane.
Oh, wow. Where's the... Ah! Oh my God. So what are we doing now?
So now we're going to go through how to design the jig to hold
Yeah.
the plane up.
Okay, you're gonna have to, this is alien to me, so you're gonna have to talk me through it step by step.
Yeah, that's fine. You can put a dimension in which we can put 40
Okay,
for this side.
just 40.
Just 40, yes.
Okay, there we go. Oh, I like this.
And then drag it going through the hole.
There we go. Just start at the bottom.
Snip it to the bottom.
Okay.
And then finish.
Look
What you want.
Yeah. I mean, hire me for some design. This is great.
Right, now we're going to show you how to get that file and the printer.
Lovely, thank you very much. Now, Maya, what do we have to do now? I don't know anything, so you're gonna have to explain it to me like I'm 5.
Okay. Rotate it all the way around.
Right, so there has to be a flat bit at the start of it then.
Yeah. And then you can select the size and everything. You'd save it to the USB stick.
USB sticks, I know them. Thus far, that's all I know, but I do know them. Right, let's do it.
And now we can take this, go over to our printer. If you insert it,
Yep. And then you just start the print.
and then you just press start print, and it'll calibrate itself and self-level.
And what does it print with?
Plastic pillow.
Okay, so what's next?
You were going to go downstairs to the workshop to see the scan.
Right then, off we go. Come on, take me down there. So what kind of thing do you want to do after you finish this here?
I'm kind of interested in going into 3D printers a bit more and design and stuff, but maybe also machining. Because I'm interested in both, so
What kind of things would you machine? What does that lead you to?
I'm not sure. There's
Anything.
anything. Pretty much,
Anything
yeah.
that needs to be made.
Yep.
Oh, very interesting. Okay, so then what's next?
I'm going to hand you over to Ben here.
So what have we got here?
So we've got an industrial robot system with a 3D scanner attached to the arm.
Yeah.
And we're going to use it to take some really accurate scans and some stuff that we've got on the table over here. So our first step to make sure that the camera can see this properly and frame everything up, we have to place dots all over it.
Okay, randomly, or is there a logic to it?
Roughly symmetric, about 10 mil spaced.
What's in these dots then?
So these dots are the sensors are reflective,
Yeah.
which makes that the scanner can pick them up really, really accurately, and the outsides are black just to give some avoidance and correction to
What's the next stage?
So once you've got your model already scanned into the computer, you can orbit, 3D scan all of the things, and then you can export that for 3D printing, manufacture. You can modify it in any way you wish.
Lovely, well thank you very much.
Lovely to meet you.
Much appreciated. So we're now with Paul. Hello, Paul.
Hello.
Nice to meet you. It's nice to know there's another adult in the building.
I won't go that far.
So what's the next step, Maya?
As you can see, there's pieces of a Concorde here, and we're just going to assemble it with just have a bed of sticky tape and then glue.
I'm not good at jigsaws. I'm not good at putting anything together. I've just moved house. IKEA furniture's a nightmare, so you're going to have to lead on this, you two, okay?
So we grab the first 2 pieces.
Okay, and that's looking pretty
Should
good.
line up quite nicely.
Okay, tape please.
Just line the 2 halves up and slide them together.
So Paul, what do you do here then?
So I'm the Senior Business Development Manager.
Yep.
So I look after all of the client engagement and the STEM activity for this centre.
Lovely.
This centre is one of a kind really from what I've seen out there in the sector.
Yeah, it's absolutely fantastic. And what kind of things does it have that you think are totally unique?
I think the fact that we specialise just in one subject, so just in engineering, it puts us ahead of some other people because that is our bread and butter.
Yeah.
The investment we have from not just the contract that we're running here, but also from the MTC as well. As you can see with the equipment, it's second to none.
So Mya and Ben, would you recommend OAS to other people looking for something to go and do for their future?
It's definitely more focused on engineering, so if you're looking to go into engineering, but then it's also the different aspects of engineering, so you can go into electrical, mechanical.
And do you feel like OAS is setting you up for a fantastic future in engineering?
Yeah.
And you, Ben?
Absolutely, it's a perfect entry point for anything in engineering. We've learned such a wide variety of topics.
So if anyone is hands-on and thinking they're not quite sure what they want to do in their future, but they like building things, they're interested in how things work, this is the place to come.
Yeah.
Fantastic. And Paul, when they come here and they're on an apprenticeship, what kind of places can they end up in the future?
It's limitless, really. I mean, you look at engineering's all around us. So you think of the products you use day to day. So the kind of clients that we work with, there's a range of pharmaceutical through to space, through to diffusion and things like that. So there's a wide variety.
So what different apprenticeships do you offer here?
So currently where we are, we have a level 3 apprenticeship, which has 2 different pathways, one mechatronics and one PDD. As of this year, we will also be delivering a level 4 automation and controls apprenticeship, along with an HNC. And from early next year, we are delivering a level 4 within space technicians as well. With a view to start offering level 2s from September 2024.
And is there the ability to then go on to higher education with this?
Absolutely. My vision really for OAS over the next few years is that you'll be able to jump in and out of OAS at